Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can find our 16-digit debit card number. So for that, you can just simply check the debit card of it. In the front side, you will be able to see the numbers. Just use it as it is the debit card number. But in case if you want to see it online, or if in case you don't have the debit card with you, then you can just simply open up your browser and then search for your bank's name. As an example, I'm typing Wells Fargo as a bank example, and you will type your bank's name over here. After that, open up the official website of your bank. Make sure that it is the official website and just open it up, and this way you would be redirected to your bank's website. Then use the username and password and click on sign in. This way you would be able to log into your bank's account, and there you would be able to get the debit card number, and this is how you do it alternatively. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.